What was the legal impact of Carlin's 7 dirty words? Imagine tuning into a radio show and hearing a comedian list words that are considered so inappropriate they could cause legal trouble. That's exactly what George Carlin did with his famous 7 dirty words routine. This routine sparked a major fight over free speech and what can be said on public broadcasts. It all started when someone complained to the Federal Communications Commission after hearing the routine on a New York radio station while their young son was in the car. The FCC responded by declaring the broadcast indecent and warned the station it could face penalties if similar content aired again. This set off a chain of legal events that went all the way to the Supreme Court. In the case called Federal Communications Commission v. Pacifica Foundation, the Supreme Court decided in 1978 that the government could regulate certain language on public airwaves. They ruled 5-4 in favor of the FCC. The court said that because radio and television are so widespread and accessible, especially to children, the government had a right to limit what could be broadcast during times when kids might be listening. This decision created a legal standard that allowed broadcasters to be censored or bleeped for using words deemed offensive. It didn't bend the words completely but gave the government the power to restrict their use based on the context, like the time of day or the audience. This ruling changed how profanity is handled on radio and television across the country. It made broadcasters more careful about what they aired, especially during daytime hours. It also influenced many state and local rules about public decency and behavior. In practical terms, it means radio and TV stations must think twice before airing content with strong language. They have to consider the time and audience to avoid fines or sanctions. This case is a key moment in the ongoing debate between free speech and community standards. While Carlin himself was never prosecuted, his routine helped shape the rules that govern what can and cannot be said on public broadcasts. It's a clear example of how a comedy routine can lead to a major legal shift in the way language is regulated in America.